If your Social Security disability claim is denied a second time, what do you have to do, and when do you have to do it? Now, it's not unusual for the Social Security Administration to deny not only an initial application, but what's called a request for reconsideration. That's their MO. What you don't want to do is to walk away from your Social Security disability claim. My hero is Winston Churchill, and one of his most famous quotes was, "Never ever give up." Now, I paraphrase that quote, but that's my philosophy. The Social Security Administration doesn't make it easy for those who should be getting disability benefits to get what they deserve. I watched my father make the difficult decision to stop work and apply for his Social Security benefits. That was a hard decision, and he had to deal with the Social Security Administration. He had to deal with all the forms that went along with it. Fortunately, he got his benefits on his first attempt, but the point is, I know firsthand how my parents dealt with that Social Security claims process. He was worried that his doctor wouldn't support his claim and the Social Security Administration would deny his claim. Well, these days, the MO is to deny claims. In fact, 2/3 of the claims are denied at the initial stage and at the request for reconsideration stage. But as I said, we don't give up. You will have 60 days from the date of that denial, plus 5 days for mailing, to file what's called a request for hearing. That gets us out of the Social Security system known as DDS, Disability Determination Services, and into the hearings area called OHO. The importance of that is that's where the judges are housed, and the reality is that 2/3 of the time judges will award benefits. So the point is, never ever give up. Now, the other point is that you shouldn't be representing yourself. A hearing is a hearing. It's a trial. And the Social Security Administration uses a 5-step sequential evaluation. You've never heard of it. You don't know what you have to prove, and it certainly isn't wise to rely on a judge to try to find in your records things that will allow them to award benefits. It's really important that you have an experienced Social Security disability attorney such as myself to help you get and develop your medical records, to get your doctors to fill out what's called a residual functional capacity form that will outline your restrictions and limitations, and that you be prepared for what happens at a hearing. I have shot a video of a mock Social Security hearing so that my clients can watch it. They can't go in and watch a real one. But more importantly, I've shot an hour-long video that reviews with you every question you'll be asked by a judge. And we practice how to truthfully tell your story in a way that the judge understands. We tell your story in terms of symptoms and functionality based on your medical condition. Now, of course, there are lots of other questions the judge is going to ask about your work history, your education, your medical condition, your treatments, what you do during the course of a normal day. And you need to understand that there is a way to tell your story. And just walking in and trying to tell your story the way you think it should be told isn't going to result in a claims approval. It's got to be filtered through this 5-step sequential evaluation. So I don't want you to be discouraged. If your claim has been denied, call me today at 727-894-3188. I can help you get your Social Security disability benefits, but we've got to file that request for hearing within 60 days. So don't delay, call today. I can help you regardless of where you live in the state of Florida, in fact, even in the United States. Why? Because these days we're doing hearings by phone, and we may even be doing them by video. That means that I don't have to travel, and neither do you. And one of the great things about that is we can use not only the phone or video to meet each other, to get you ready for your hearing, and of course to attend the hearing in that fashion. So never, ever, ever, ever give up. Call today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.